Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is weekly reading July month and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. Guys, if it is not resonate, just take messages and don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you, Gemini, and what's going on. Gemini, under the deck, 3 of Pentacles with King of Cups, the Sun, wow, and 4 of Pentacles. I think there is some big happiness is coming into your life, Gemini. And someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you, or if you, for some, you want to offer your cup of love to your person. I think someone is coming. If you are in separation, someone is coming back for reconciliation. If you are not in separation, definitely there is they want to take this relationship to next level. Some partnership collaboration is coming. So let's see our reading. Recent past, 10 of Cups, 9 of Swords, and Page of Pentacles. There is love, but there are some issues or fighting between you and your person, and lots of your children also involved in this connection. 9 of Swords energy. So in recent past, you are not sleeping well. Lot of issues, lot of arguments, some anxiety and depression type of energy, and lot of thinking, same thinking pattern going in you. For some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. Maybe that causing a lot of depression and anxiety in you, Gemini. Then present 6 of Pentacles, the Moon, and High Priestess. Yeah, there is no equal give and take. Maybe they're treating you as an option or as a choice. And a lot of trust issues between you and your person. And then you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. Maybe you're manifesting something big into your life. Yes, the Moon with High Priestess. You are manifesting. Maybe you want to manifest, if you're in separation, your person, or you want to manifest money or job. Then future, the Fool, Hermit, and Page of Swords. So a lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. You want the Fool energy, going with the flow and living in the present moment. Gemini. Yes, you want to be in this energy, the Fool, in near future. In future, there will be some transformation also, which is very good for you. After transformation, you will leave your baggage, everything. You will be in this energy. That is very good energy. But some spying is going, and children's also involved in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Queen of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, the Moon, and 2 of Pentacles. Right now your person is juggling lot of issues, lot of trust issues, illusions between you and your person. Your person is very independent. They are no more, they don't want to depend anyone for emotionally and financially also. Right now you both are in no contact. For some your person is very cold with you right now. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards. First we will see their current feelings, Gemini. Yeah, spying. They spying you a lot, Gemini. And they want to communicate with you. Right now, your person is planning to communicate with you. They want to give some clarity or they want to say some truth to you, but they're juggling. One time they're picking up their phone and want to call you, but another time they're holding back. The type of juggling, but they're planning to communicate with you. Right now, your person feeling stuck, thinking about commitment, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. Yeah, they're feeling sad if you're in separation, but right now, your person feeling stuck and juggle. The person is juggling. So let's see their intentions, current intentions, Gemini. The Sun, King of Swords, and Nine of Cups. Another deck, the Emperor, Page of Pentacles, and Two of Wands, Queen of Cups. Yes, they have emotions for you. They're thinking about you a lot. For some, your person have options, but they are going to be choose you, and yeah, they wanna send some message, communication. For some, it could be it will take some time because your person have ego problems also. But lots of you are in long distance relationship also, but there is communication is coming. They're going to be communicate. Right now they're spying you a lot. Yeah, see, your person is very straightforward in nature, King of Swords energy, but they will communicate. They are realizing your worth, and they are realizing that you are their happiness, and they're wishing for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment, Gemini. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. What's going? Cards are jumping. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles. They want to offer stability. Yes, they do love you and they really want to offer their cup of love to you, and they want to offer stability. There is stability is coming and your person is wishing for stability. Yeah, right now they're missing you. Four of Swords. I think you are healing, Gemini. You're taking rest. You're taking off from the situation. Yes, you do love them still. And you're taking rest and you're healing. Because you are in so much confusion, that's why you are taking off from the situation, and you are healing, and you are doing meditation to heal yourself, and you are very sharing and caring person. So let's see the mutual energies between you and your person. You both missing each other, and you both want success in this connection. Yeah, lots of communication is coming. There will be communication and you both obsessed with each other. For some, maybe one person is very dominative in this connection, could be toxic for other person. So take what resonates. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. But you both want success in this connection and you both missing each other. For some, one person in this connection could be very popular. I can't give you what you need. Options. New love is coming and I have regrets. So the messages are, I can't give you what you need. Options, new love is coming and I have regrets. So take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. So if you are doing consistent hard work, this is the message for you. Your hard work is already paying off. If not, it will. Especially new moon in Capricorn. And what do you need to release? Waning moon. So if you are thinking about your person negatively, you are getting a lot of negative thoughts. This is the message for you. You have to release all those negative thoughts, because sometimes negative thoughts also create resistance in the connection. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.